Welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how you can mine Qubic with your Android device or your old tablet. Now I will leave all these steps in the description below so you can copy them and paste them. Now let's go to the phone. First of all, we need to open Termux and we need to copy the first step in the document and paste it on Termux and press enter. And then it would ask us if you want to continue, type yes, type Y and enter. Then it will start downloading the necessary files. After it's done, we need to go back to the document and copy the step 2. After we copy it, let's paste it on Termux again and press enter. Now I'm gonna speed up the video because it's all the same steps. Copy the step and paste it and do the exact same thing. Now for the step 8, you need to focus here because here we got the configuration. Now for the T, it's the amount of threads that will be used for the miner. And the ID is your wallet address. If you don't know how to make a wallet address, please go watch the previous video of Qubic mining. Now I'm going back here to change the X, which is the threads, the amount of threads that I want to use to the miner. Now my Samsung Note 9 have 8 threads, so I will delete the X and put 8 there. That I will press enter and it will start mining right away. My Samsung Note 9 got like 5.8 to 6 IT per second. As I said before, on the step 8, you need to change the X for your amount of threads of your CPU. And you need to change your ID for the wallet address of your own. Now let's go to the Google, and here we got pooltemp.qubic.solution. Here I can see the info about my mining. Now if I reload it, it will show me that I got one device mining with a 4.3 average IT per second. Now I got 0 solution. Now if we go back to the Qubic portal and we reload it, here we got my 5600X. I got 2 solutions this epoch, which is very great for 41 ITS. Here, as we can see, the previous epoch 100. I got a 924,000 Qubic for one solution. Now, as we said before, for one phone, one old phone, I got 4.3 ITS. Now, for comparison, let me open the miner for the Ryzen 5 5600X. As we can see here, the IT is rising up. It will average about 40 to 43 IT per second. And there you have it, the easiest way to mine Qubic with your phone. If you have any questions or anything about Qubic or mining in general, you can leave them in the comments below and I will reply to them all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.